fuck? Mystery Ashton, how have you been living here? Oops. I had the fucking craziest dreams. Then I had a dream where I woke up from my dream and I was telling Remi about my dream, but it was the dream that I had. Oh, I also had what the fuck? I also had a dream that I was like drugged or something. Like, what does all of this mean? But I slept good. My dreams are literally like movies now because of my medication. I'm gonna talk about that shit. Or they're insane. I could make Oscar award-winning movies. This is just for it though. Oh my god, Miss Remi Manor.
Miss Remi Manor. Look at, and you can sit out here and drink your coffee. I don't know why my audio file's not showing. Display. Maybe there we go.
Oh, okay, good.
We're Gucci. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Auntie. Yes, good morning, Auntie. Omika. I love when she does that. Hi. Dozy May. Dozy May. Yes. Oh, you guys are so happy. How'd you sleep?
Oh my god, I slept so fucking good.
Good.
But I literally had the craziest dreams.
Uh-oh.
One of them was I got drugged.
Oh my god.
The other one was I got caught with drugs. But I was like, I didn't put them there, and I remember waking up from the being drugged one. And I was telling you about, so it was like I was living real life telling you, and you're like, oh, it's probably because you drank a little last night. And
Weird.
Then I woke up finally at the very end, and I was like, what in the inception is this?
Whoa. It's probably because you drank a little last night.
This is why I'm like, did I tell you this?
Yeah, we actually did this whole thing this morning, and I'm just doing it again for the vlog. Oh, also, I ordered phone nuts.
Oh my god.
Miss Remi Manor, phone nuts.
This is why I never invite people to spend the night at my house.
It's a simple Postmates order, bitch.
No, like, I was still recording, thank God.
Look at this view.
Also, last night we were swimming the pool when we got back, and these statues, as you can tell, those statues literally kept making me think of White Lotus. It was funny.
Last night.
No. Wait, why is that kind of aesthetic?
It's kind of gorgeous. Jessie!
Our dress is drying.
Well, I was trying to get in, but I was sopping wet, and then I saw your dress, so I was like, okay, I'll get naked too. So then I left mine there.
Oh, I brought a towel out, so I just...
Oh, I ran through nude. Through the entire house naked.
You can do that. I was like, Cal's here. I come up and he goes, do you want to make your selects?
And it's this.
That one.
Do you remember any of this?
Oh, yes. I really wasn't that drunk. Yo, we got some good fucking shit. So good. Look at my bangs. They're not banging. All right, I was gonna do my makeup downstairs, but I had FOMO because my friends were up here laughing and having fun. So I brought my makeup upstairs.
Walks into frame.
Tonight, I can actually say, I always like get confused with Vlogmas because I'm like, this is going up tomorrow, what's being said, like whatever. We're actually having a small little surprise birthday party for Ashley tonight. That's pretty much all I'm doing other than chilling here. That's not till later, is my... I knew my settings were off. There we go. I want to do a video ics of my, oh, we talked about this, doing ics of myself. I feel like I could really like do that good.
You should do it with Cal.
he would just stand and be like not, you know, it's like.
Ics my best friend's boyfriend has about me. That's funny. He's like, you're fucking annoying.
No, literally, he's like, there's always a camera. You always steal my best friend. Whenever you come over, Remi kicks me to the couch. Just kidding. I usually sleep on the couch.
With me.
With you, we cuddle.
Cuddle.
Also, not to crazy expose myself, and this fully defeats the purpose. I actually wore this outfit all day yesterday, but I didn't start my vlog till later when I was already in my gold dress. So it fully defeats the purpose of me being like, oh my God, I could wear this and no one would know, because now I'm telling you. I love the kitchen in this house.
Ollie and I are gonna do our icks about each other, and Alicia's sitting here doing her makeup in the kitchen.
I love it.
I love it. We're all inseparable today.
We're all in this together.
All right.
Remi, what's it like literally carrying Vlogmas on your shoulders?
Oh, it's true.
My back
Factual.
hurts. Go to the chiropractor.
We should get you a massage.
This is my best friend, Ollie.
Hello.
Say hi, Ollie.
Hi.
Today, we are gonna do our icks about each other. Would you like me to begin?
No, I would like to go first.
Oh, okay.
Number 1, you toot a lot for such a small vessel.
I knew you were gonna say 2.
Do you?
If there's
No,
someone
I
who's
was
running,
calling you
it's she's
tutor.
gonna
I know.
toot.
I was like,
Someone had toilet paper in her house at Louis Vuitton, and it was not.
You're only supposed to
me.
go one at a time. My first one.
That was my first one.
You are
Oh, no.
perpetually late. You show up 30 minutes to 3 hours later than he actually should.
I was gonna say
Yesterday was 2.5. Yeah, 30 is an understatement. I have learned now in our friendship to tell you at least an hour earlier so that maybe you'll come an hour late.
I can't even argue that one. It's
Thank you.
true.
No regard for anyone's time. Next.
Okay, 2. This is the worst ick about you. You don't enjoy RuPaul's Drag Race. Scary.
oh, she will know that Ariana's gonna be on it.
True.
She was already on it. She was a guest judge.
She is going to be the guest judge for season 15, I saw. Number 2, you leave your makeup stains all over my house. You come for 20 minutes, I know where you've been because every doorway has little tan fingerprints. The floor, the pillows, the couch, specifically the doors and the handles, so it's the most.
What can I say? I love to leave my mark. My last ick about Miss Remi. You pull your hair out and there's hair in random places everywhere. In your bag, in your car, in your home, on a shelf, in a cabinet.
On a shelf, in a car, very far. In my defense, I understand, and that's why they're now sewed to my head. So I can't take them out anymore. Last but not least, you can't swim.
Oh.
The end.
But it's true.
This is my best friend Ollie. Have a say hi, Ollie.
Update, it's been quite some time and I finally did my makeup. I think I sat there for like over an hour. It's not that I didn't want to get it done, I was just like moving very slow. I'm actually not hungover.
My hangovers last till like 7 p.m.
It's late
And then I'll be
20s.
alive.
Oh, then you'll be good.
Then I'll go party some more.
I just posted this hilarious photo on my story on Instagram, so like, go watch me. Go watch me. What? I don't want to get copyrighted, but it was really funny, so y'all should. Y'all should go follow me on Instagram. I feel like I actually haven't really shown you guys this house, so here's like a little mini house tour, aka Alicia's moving in. I know I already showed you the backyard. The view is actually stunning. You can genuinely see the beach, and it's just, I love this view so much. The only thing is I would not want to live in the hills because it's so hard to get up here, and then also like, I feel like everyone can see you in your backyard. Like it's kind of weird, but the view is stunning. When you flip around, this is what you see. Dun, 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 dun. Dress is still drying. Actually, they're probably, yeah, that's dry. And you come downstairs, it's this long hallway. Like I've shown you, this is my room. I need to pack up everything. It's a little messy from last night.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much. I'll see you then.
Show cow.
Okay.
Cal's sleeping. He'll hate me.
Okay, bye.
He'll hate me.
Cal what? Oh, no, put on. Yeah.
He's feeding you.
6'2" props.
No, literally.
6'4".
Oh, 6'4" props. Anyways, that's the house. It's so sick. Oh my god, that scared me. The living shit out of me.
Okay.
Wow! Look at this.
Take a bite.
Take a bite. So cute. It's the whole thing. Yeah!
Wow. What are these? Donuts?
The juice box. It was really cute.
Read it.
Barefoot.
just got back home from Ashley's birthday surprise dinner. It was so nice. I vlogged a little bit on my phone, but not too much. I look like I'm literally going to the snow right now, but it was freezing out. So I don't even know what this fit is. I just like, I took a nap, then I threw it on. The point of what I'm trying to say right now is I just wanted to end the vlog and say thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. We are almost done with Vlogmas. This is insane. I'm also exhausted, so I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.